So I'm the head of strategy for Scouting in Wales, and I am one of the two senior members of staff who support the 300 Scout groups across Wales to do what we do with young people. The Scouting is really all about developing young people's skills and leadership skills from a young age. We do that through our volunteer programme and structure, and it was just something that we felt that as Scouts Cymru we should get involved in, because it gave us another opportunity to showcase some of that work that we do with our volunteers.
So when I joined the Academy, I was really hoping to gain insight into other sectors, because being in the third sector myself, that's all I sort of experienced. So I loved doing the workshops with other participants from Wales. So we had sessions about leadership in action, about good communication, and they've all been really useful in taking my leadership role forward in my job.
The organisation has definitely benefited from being part of this. As a third sector organisation, the opportunities that this has provided have been really useful. It's opened some doors, it's provided an opportunity for us to think outside the box and to shout about what Scouting does within a leadership context for our young people across Wales. I think it's also given us an opportunity to benefit from the skills and experiences that our participant who's taken part in the cohort to bring some of that learning back into the organisation and to allow us to better develop both our governance structures but also some of our working practices that have actually benefited from that opportunity and kind of been streamlined.